just make you cry.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your all the support, such as sweet comments and love for my tutorial on Glossy Butter Cream before. I read all your comments and was impressed so much. Thank you so much. This time, I prepared Glossy Butter Cream recipe for vegetarians. The essential key points to make Glossy Butter Cream for veggies are exactly same with my tutorial before, but only different is the ingredients. I used Italian meringue to make G.G. Glossy Butter Cream in my last tutorial, but today we are not gonna use egg for it. If you don't wanna use eggs, you can try this recipe. Before we start, please note this. Temperature formula is the key point for making any kind of glossy butter cream, so some ingredients can be changed or replaced to your own preference. Its process is very simple. Let's get started.
I promise now's not the right time.
450 grams of unsalted butter, 70 grams of fresh cream, 120 grams of corn syrup, 65 grams of condensed milk, and just a little bit of vanilla essence. Temperature of all the ingredients should be around at 10 Celsius degrees. Its process is very simple. We're gonna put all the ingredients together into the bowl and blend it well. Firstly, butter, fresh cream, condensed milk, and corn syrup. As soon as we put all the ingredients, we can see butter has been crumbly and watery. It means you are on the right track. We're gonna whip it until only water is gone. Recheck with spatula from the bottom of the bowl continuously. When you see less water than before like this, we can add vanilla essence. After a while, there is time when you can see no more water. Then, we are done with G.G. Glossy Butter Cream for vegetarians. Please do not whip it more. Thank you for watching my video today. I love you, my guys. See you very soon. Bye.